Yeah, well beaten. And half cups of sugar. And that's 1.5. All right, now we're going to put a pound of butter. So we need to get it nice and creamy before we add the sugar. Whoops. So you whip it up really well. Now we're going to add the sugar. We'll get that nice and creamy. Here's the top.
It looks like a third plus a little
Add
bit.
a touch of vanilla.
What's a touch?
It'd be a cupful. There we go. Now the major stage in this is cinnamon.
That looks like a heaping one.
No, but that's only half a teaspoon.
Okay, that's another heaping one.
We'll stop now and we'll start adding the flour. And it's very important with these cookies that you hand mix. Machine mix will toughen up the cookies. Incorporating your flour.
How many cups of flour do you have in this recipe?
So far there's 5. And it all depends on how it mixes in, if we're going to add more. Again, you keep one hand clean.
And what are these called that you're making?
These are called kulurakia.
Kulurakia.
Butter cookies, if you like.
Butter cookies with a lot of cinnamon.
With a lot of cinnamon.
Baking, boom. So what you see, what we're doing right here is we've got our cookies that we're in progress of baking those right now. But way behind me over there in the corner, way back there, you can see our Greek Christmas bread. It's rising, it's getting big, puffy. It takes about 5 hours though, so we've got a lot of time to kill. So we're making cookies, we're baking, and you can too.
There we go. And place it on the tray. Yeah,
Until it meets in the middle.
yeah. Well, the bottom is supposed to be a little bigger than top.
Ma, what are you rolling over here? You're doing it a little different way. Mm-hmm. So you're doing a braid, you're not doing an S. Now it's a little bit of a competition. My mom back there, she's chosen to roll them in a braid pattern. My dad, he's rolling them in the S pattern. They both got to roll a dozen cookies. We're not letting them take breaks. We're not letting them eat. We're not letting them drink. They're going to have to stay there until they finish rolling all our cookies. And we don't know who's going to win yet. I mean, this is a roll off right here, what's going on. Check that out. 8, how many does she have? 2, 4, 6, she's 7. She's actually kind of fallen behind a little bit. Ma, did you take a break without telling me?
No contest here, no contest.
You took a break?
No contest.
We didn't authorize any breaks in this kitchen. Keep baking, both of you. It's taking a bigger lead now, eh? Now we're going to look in for precision. Oh, Dad's up to 10.
So
9. You're only at 9. Who's a game day player here? Who's a game day? So Ma's already starting to talk about the braids being more difficult. Dad's just silent. He's just working. Put his head down. He's working.
So I get about 30 per tray.
You've caught up. You might actually be taking a lead.
I don't need to explain.
That's because after so many years of marriage, we know who to let win.
You just got dunked on, Ma. You got dunked on. Roll it tighter. Better than that. Better. Better. I think you've got better in you, though, on that one. Those are good. I like that roll. I like this roll, what I'm seeing over here. I don't care what age you are. It's always a competition. Pop's in the lead. Now all of a sudden Ma's coming up and she's really filling her tray up. Check this out. Look. This is a tight race. They know they're not allowed to take their afternoon naps until they finish rolling those cookies. All of a sudden they're moving quick.
Who takes naps?
All the time they're moving slow, but tell them that they can't take their afternoon nap.
My tray's done. My
Okay,
tray's
we're
done.
gonna have to inspect. It's 19. We got 19. How many is Dad are right here? 2, 4, 12, 6. Dad's at 18 on the. So Dad was out of the gates really quick on this one. Slowed down. I could tell him not getting his midday nap is really impacting him more than Ma. Because normally by this time, he's snoozing on the couch. So he was fast out of the gate, but he couldn't keep up. And she came from behind to really take the lead. He wants his nap, but he knows he's not allowed to get his freaking nap until I say so, until he's done rolling those cookies. Roll the cookie!
Not a meal.
An interesting development is happening in our cookie roll-off right here. Ma, she's going back and she's adjusting, she's fine-tuning, she's look. Dad's not having to do that. This is an interesting development I didn't see coming. His is a one stop, just boom, done. She's going back. So I'm wondering if there was something going on in her method earlier on she didn't like. Take a shortcut because she was behind? We're not sure. But now she's going back and she's readjusting. Look, she's readjusting. We also found out another issue right here is she was rolling cookies that are approximately 30% bigger than the ones he's rolling, so she's getting through her dough faster. Saying if you ain't cheating, you ain't trying, we don't know anymore. They're both just trying to work towards their afternoon naps. Get to nap time is what they're thinking right now.
Big naps.
Those are a lot of cookies back there. We're baking. It's Christmas. Christmas cookies or Greek cookies. We're baking. Boom. I've had to get in to roll some cookies here and break up this competition. It's getting out of hand out here. There's been dough flying everywhere. They're throwing things at each other. Incredible.
You roll with one hand.
He's done this before. He knows.
See how I'm getting direction? Listen to him. He's selling me out here saying I haven't done this before. I've done this before. What are you talking about?
I've got pictures to prove it.
You see how he sells me out? He hasn't done it before. I haven't rolled cookies before?
He's done it before.
Now, he's saying it's too big. I wanted a big cookie.
Here.
Who wants a small cookie? We're going to eat 10 instead of just one. I'd rather just eat one.
Hands are warm. The dough becomes much softer and loose.
Well, that's good because they've got the temperature in their house at about 87 degrees right now.
Come on.
Bring that down to there. Oh, shit, it broke.
Well,
Yeah, you know
under
what,
its own
though?
weight.
You know what, though? That's okay. I don't care. I'm not getting upset about it. Here, someone yell at me because my cookie broke. Yell at me. Perfect. And all you got to do is roll. Look at this. This is freaking perfect. This is the best cookie of the afternoon so
You've made
far.
better
All over the
ones.
This
place.
one is perfect.
But you've made better ones than this. I don't understand.
Want me to do a proper one? Okay. Personally, I think it's probably the dough itself.
What's
Which
wrong
is
with
perfect,
the dough? It
which
was
is perfect.
It was perfect.
And then just take it all the way to the end and now roll it like a little braid, just like that.
So simple.
I don't know, looks like shit to me, but it's fine. It's gonna taste the same. Who cares what it looks like?
You're right.
Those are the ones you're taking home.
See that? They give me the shit. I want my cookies in their own row so they can stand alone because I'm proud of them. Now, that's the big Balboski right there. You know, nobody ever wanted a Charlie Brown Christmas tree. If mine looks like Charlie Brown, that's okay. Oh, I think they're about to go. Here we go. It looks like you already made the easy recipe. You're baking. They're going to taste good. Don't worry about what they look like. If you screw a few up, who cares? If they break, who cares? You're going to eat them anyways. I guarantee these are going to be taken down. Everyone's going to eat them.
This gives them the finishing look.
You're going to add sesame seeds after?
Yes. My mom always put sesame.
Boom!
All right.
Boom! Okay, there you go, everybody. Authentic Koularakia Greek cookies, sugar, cinnamon, butter. How can they get any better? And look, that is the Uncle Drew size cookie right there. Look, super size. Oh yeah. Boom! These could be good enough for the Cookie Monster too. Kids, give these a try. Boom.